Number 1. Omni hoverboards. The Omni hoverboard is modern and very impressive. The hoverboard Omni flies above ground and can fly up to 5 meters above groundwater. It's like a large drone that a person flies on board with, requiring a lot of energy. This is a wonderful product for the future. 8 propellers and a frame built from carbon fiber feature on the Omni hoverboard. The propeller-controlled motors are powered by 12 lithium polymer batteries, producing approximately 40 horsepower, but unfortunately this currently produces a total flying time of just 1.5 minutes. Just like a helicopter, both up and down as well as side to side, you can move the hoverboard quickly. By gripping a joystick made from a pair of pliers, acceleration is achieved. Number 2. YX1. With a powerful 1.5 kilowatt peak electric motor, the electric three-wheeler provides speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour or 25 miles per hour. In the wide rear wheel, the motor is housed, while 2 smaller front wheels help lead your way. The main wheel straddles the rider's feet. YX1 is a development of MobiMove that was not created overnight. Over the last 2 years, at least 40 different designs have been produced, both in gas and electric models. The decision was taken to only go fully electric with leaning front wheels in order to cope with the future. This slanting 3-wheel electric skateboard has a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour with a range of 60 kilometers. Brushless DC hub with disc brakes and leaning wheels on the front and rear wheel. Like a skateboard, riders mount the YX1 standing horizontally on the ground, or what is left of the deck. The rider's feet straddle the main wheel, with the rear foot behind all 3 wheels. The rider can easily pop the front wheels by using the rear of the deck like a massive kicktail on an electric skateboard. The large tires, 13-inch main tire, and built-in suspension make the YX1 fully capable of handling off-road terrain and hitting those aforementioned jumps. And the disc brakes mean that the board can still stop relatively quickly. Number 3. Redroid Kanguro. Shinju Yamanaka and Takayuki Furuta at the Chiba Institute of Technology have built a robotic vehicle, the Redroid Kanguro. It's a special robot vehicle that's never going to leave your side and become a private vehicle that's going to take you to your destination. Although it does not jump around, it runs smoothly at a top speed of 6 miles per hour or 10 kilometers per hour. The name Kanguro resembles a kangaroo. It is said to be the first product in a series of Redroid robots under production. The Redroid Kanguro is a personal 3-wheeled vehicle which travels as one with its rider. Japan Trends explains that this system is built from the latest technology in robotics and AI fused by product design. As a self-driving vehicle, it features a built-in body sonic system and produces heartbeat-like pulses modulated by travel speed. Number 4. Trigo. Established in Poland, Trigo, a European engineering design firm, has announced the launch of the first electric urban mobility vehicle, combining the safety and comfort characteristics of a car with the scooter's maneuverability and parking benefits. In response to the increasing demand for future-oriented urban mobility in the large metropolitan markets of Europe, Asia, and the Americas, Trigo's electric vehicles have been created, such as autonomous robo-taxis and car-sharing services. Trigo vehicles are planned to ease pressure on the current busy urban transport system through increased urban mobility to meet potential transport needs in smart cities and towns. The Trigo has a maximum width of 33.8 inches long with an 11.4-foot turning radius in its motorcycle configuration. At speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour, you can enable this mode and drive it like a motorcycle. In reality, to offer the riding dynamics of a motorbike, it can even lean into corners automatically. Number 5. Gyroball. If you ever wanted to ride a ball to work, you can do so now. The Gyroball is an electric spherical, self-balancing vehicle that can travel at more than 12 miles per hour. It looks like a big soccer ball or basketball coming out of its center with retractable foot platforms. The rotating ball shape of the vehicle is supposed to allow agile movements, and since it's self-balancing, you only have to shift your body technically to move forward. No remote control required. It's almost the same in terms of operation as other mono wheels, providing a range of 14 miles or 22.5 kilometers from a single 2.5-hour charge, pulling riders up to 220 pounds or 100 kilograms at speeds of up to 12.4 miles per hour, 20 kilometers per hour, and up to 15% incline in handling. In form, it's impressively tiny thanks to a compact 500-watt motor, making for a low center of gravity and easy carrying once the pedals are retracted and carrying handle is extended. Number 6. Shredder ATV. The first true crossover vehicle for recreation, utility, or whatever you want to use it for is the DTV Shredder. The DTV Shredder is the first dual-track vehicle that is all-terrain, all-season capable, a revolutionary combination of tank, skateboard, and stand-up jet ski. The Shredder is light enough for a single person to turn it around if they happen to get stuck, weighing only 270 pounds, and you can quickly lift it in and out of the bed of a pickup truck without having to deal with a ramp, as long as you have 1 or 2 friends with you. In fact, we were able to put 3 DTV Shredder models into the bed of a truck with the tailgate down. Powering the Shredder is a 208cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that produces a claimed 15 foot-pound of torque at 5,400 RPM. Number 7. Yaw Board. The Yaw Board all-terrain one deck is the easiest to master with minimal effort to provide the amazing carving experience. You may choose to use it as a scooter or an electric skateboard. This board has a removable handle. 2 by 700 watt, 3000 watt peak power motors ensure you're going to have power and torque when you need it. Rest your legs and cruise with ease up hills up to 30 degrees. Number 8. Ballistic Cycles. Ballistic Cycles, the American custom chopper manufacturer, is known for making extravagant and radical bikes with different bespoke parts. A wide range of custom bagger components are given by Ballistic Cycles. On the street, with iconic parts and accessories by Ballistics, looking for a custom build one-of-a-kind, ground-up construction, full service, custom paint, and airbrushing are provided by Ballistic Cycles. The development of Ballistic Cycles is exactly this, a non-electric motorcycle hub with a 0 SRF engine. Yep, that's right. With nearly 100 horsepower at its disposal, this bike packed some punch. Apart from a hubless design, the bike features a one-sided girder fork, further accentuating the bike's futuristic design.